Guys, I'm so scared. And you might know her again. Would you like to introduce yourself? Say something.
This is Winter. Oh no! I mean, who's this man?
Winter.
Yeah, this is Winter, guys. Like,
And she's Helen. Today she's gonna control me for 24 hours.
huh?
She's gonna control me for 24 hours. And I'm pretty scared. So let's get to the video. Okay. What do you want me to do first? Hmm?
Get me a cup of water.
Fine!
No, I'm just joking.
Oh my god. You really scared me, bruh. Actually, I'm so scared.
Go. Let me give me that.
No, just put it there, bro.
For 1 minute, go in the circle.
What? What the hell? 1 minute later. Done!
Next, go to daddy and say, Kalbo.
Fine, Kalbo!
Let's do that. One minute later. 1 minute later. I'm done.
I done it. What else? Ay! Don't sit my lap, bro. I didn't. Bro, just sit on my lap. Just kinda ako relax. No, I chose to train.
She's gonna train me. Yes, Moramba. Sorry, girl. Okay, she's gonna dance. Show your
Pretty
girlfriend.
crazy. So what do you want me to do else? What else do you want me to do?
I can.
Hmm? What else do you want me to show? What else do you want me to do? Bro! Answer! Answer, bro.
Give me your tablet for 24 hours. Fine. I mean for 1 hour. 1 minute later. Hi guys, I'm done. You see, because I was playing Stumble Guys.
Stop copying my game.
Kinuha ko!
I can say I should have viewers.
Quiet!
Shut. Guys, I wanna tell you why I have so many skins because it won't get any likes. But I will tell you if I get.
Bye-bye!
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Nuno! Papa, help me! Mamma mia!
Ibigin ko. You have to find us.
How many percent is that?
I don't know. Nanti, guys, you have to find us. Guys, you have to find me. You have to close your eyes, okay? 3, 2, 1. No peeking.
Ano pa?
Let's see if you can find me.
Look, medyo may tayo sa TV, oh. Special yan doon, oh.
Oh. Find me, guys.
Look.
Peekaboo. 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 My baby sister is crying again. My baby sister is crying because she cannot get a phone because she wants to play Roblox. What? And wow. What's wrong with you? Ali! Bakit dito ka? Pwede ka lang magsulat. Pwede ka lang maghintay. Pwede ka lang maghintay, ha? Tingnan mo mama mo. Sige pa yung ano. Sige pa yung nagbigay-bigo ano sa'yo. Tapos sa cellphone ang gusto mo. Ay! Huwag mo ni-touch, ha? Huwag mo ni-touch. Tingnan mo, mainit to. Guys, sorry, I'm just Filipino. My family is just Filipino, okay? Just stop. Huwag ka lang mag-iyak. Huwag ka lang mag-iyak. Tingnan mo. Mama mo, sige pala nagbigay-bigay anong gusto mo. Tapos hindi mo gusto. Cellphone ka lang. Don't put it back! That's my key! Put it under the bed. Give me it. You give me bad luck, right? And Ali, huwag ka lang mag-iyak. Tingnan mo ka na mama mo. Kanina ko ito naglilinis. Ano pa mo? Ano na pa na nagpubuhat kayo? Let's play! Play what? Chair! Musical chair? My God! We only need 2 chairs. Guys, we're playing musical chairs. Sorry, I'm this loud. You guys cannot hear me, so okay. Guys, set the musical chair. Okay, Ali, sali ka ha. Sali ka. Okay, go! Okay. Go! Alisa! Kanta ko, kantali! Ako na kanta! Kantali, Jason! No! Okay! Go! Oh! Eh, wala ko sa akin na kanta. Balik! Wala pa! Ay! Wala pa nga! Tapos na? Ah, ganito po yung tapos! Number 1. I did tangga! Ha?
Sa linakapok, ganito lang talaga ako bruto pa mababenta. May kita masakit.
Nagit the vegetable.
Hindi dapat ay masyat pa yung nalinig sa palinig. Dati ko lang nag-renta. May syento. Kahit di
Undan! Staring contest! Okay. Day one of that looking cute one. Cute people. Oh, I lost. What are you looking at? Let's go. Look, look.